Mastering eyeliner can feel overwhelming, especially for beginners. The right eyeliner can make all the difference, providing precision, ease of use, and long-lasting results. Today, we're reviewing the top 5 eyeliners for beginners, focusing on formulas and designs that are user-friendly, even for those just starting their makeup journey. Let's help you find the perfect tool to create effortless lines and stunning looks. Kicking off our list at number 1, Maybelline Line Stiletto. The Maybelline Line Stiletto liquid eyeliner is a fantastic choice for beginners, offering precision and control with its easy-to-use felt tip applicator. It's designed to help you create sharp, sleek lines with minimal effort. Key features: this eyeliner features a flexible felt tip applicator that glides smoothly along the lash line, making it perfect for thin or bold lines. Its formula is highly pigmented, delivering a deep, glossy black finish. The product is smudge-proof, ensuring all-day wear without fading. Benefits and usage: beginners will appreciate how easy it is to control the Line Stiletto's applicator. The formula dries quickly, reducing the risk of smudges while you're perfecting your look. To use, start from the inner corner of the eye and glide the tip outward for a flawless line. It's great for everyday makeup or dramatic cat eye looks. Usability: the Line Stiletto is ideal for those with shaky hands or limited experience with eyeliner. Its lightweight design and ergonomic handle make it easy to maneuver, ensuring a smooth application every time. Durability: packaged in a slim tube, this eyeliner is travel-friendly and reliable. Its formula stays put for up to 12 hours, making it a durable option for long days or special occasions. In the second spot, we have L'Oréal Infallible, the Super Slim. The L'Oréal Infallible The Super Slim liquid eyeliner is designed with beginners in mind, offering a precision tip for controlled, mess-free application. Its long-lasting formula ensures your liner stays intact throughout the day. Key features: this eyeliner features a 0.4mm ultrafine felt tip that allows for maximum precision, making it ideal for thin lines or detailed designs. The formula is waterproof and smudge-proof, delivering intense black color with a matte finish. Benefits and usage: beginners will love how the ultrafine tip enables precise application, perfect for tight lining or creating subtle wings. The formula glides smoothly and dries quickly, reducing the likelihood of mistakes. Simply trace along the lash line, and its precise tip does the rest. Usability: lightweight and easy to hold, the Infallible Super Slim is great for those new to eyeliner. Its controlled flow of pigment ensures even application, giving you confidence with each use. Durability: packaged in a sleek pen design, it's portable and dependable. This eyeliner offers up to 12 hours of wear, ensuring your look remains flawless from morning to night. Coming in at number 3 is the NYX Epic Ink Liner. The NYX Epic Ink Liner is a beginner-friendly favorite known for its intense pigmentation and flexible brush tip. It offers the precision of a pen with the payoff of a liquid liner, making it a versatile tool for any skill level. Key features: this eyeliner features a brush tip that's flexible and easy to control, allowing for bold or subtle lines. The formula is waterproof, highly pigmented, and designed to resist smudging and fading. It delivers a true black finish with a slight sheen. Benefits and usage: the NYX Epic Ink Liner is forgiving for beginners, as its flexible tip adjusts to your pressure, ensuring a smooth and even line. Its waterproof formula makes it suitable for all-day wear, rain or shine. Glide it along your lash line to achieve sharp, dramatic wings or soft, natural looks. Usability: the Epic Ink Liner is perfect for beginners who want to experiment with different eyeliner styles. Its ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip, and the smooth flow of pigment minimizes mistakes. Durability: with a long-lasting formula, this eyeliner stays put for up to 12 hours without smudging. Its compact size makes it a great option for touch-ups on the go. Taking our 4th spot is Revlon ColorStay Liquid Liner. The Revlon ColorStay Liquid Eyeliner is a trusted choice for beginners seeking a no-fuss application. Its unique applicator and long-lasting formula make it an essential for anyone new to eyeliner. Key features: this eyeliner features a firm tip applicator that provides excellent control, making it easy to draw precise lines. The ColorStay formula is waterproof, smudge-proof, and offers a rich black color that stays vibrant all day. Benefits and usage: the firm applicator tip allows beginners to draw straight lines without struggling with uneven strokes. Its waterproof formula makes it ideal for long wear, even in humid conditions. Start at the inner corner and sweep outward for a perfect line every time. Usability: designed with beginners in mind, the ColorStay liquid eyeliner is easy to handle and delivers consistent results. Its formula glides effortlessly, allowing you to create bold or subtle looks with confidence. Durability: packaged in a sturdy bottle, this eyeliner is a reliable choice for daily use. Its formula provides up to 16 hours of wear, ensuring your liner looks fresh all day long. And finally, at number 5, we have Stila Stay All Day. The Stila Stay All Day waterproof liquid eyeliner is a high-performance option that's perfect for beginners and pros alike. Known for its precision and staying power, it's a go-to product for flawless lines. Key features: this eyeliner features a fine felt tip that delivers exceptional control, allowing for thin or bold lines. Its waterproof formula is highly pigmented and dries quickly to a matte finish. The liner is also smudge-proof, ensuring a long-lasting look. Benefits and usage: beginners will appreciate the smooth, even application offered by the Stay All Day eyeliner. Its quick-drying formula minimizes the risk of smudging, while the fine tip enables precise application. Draw your desired line and let the formula do the rest. Usability: the Stay All Day liner is user-friendly, with an ergonomic design that fits comfortably in your hand. It's a versatile choice for anyone starting their eyeliner journey, as it works well for subtle or dramatic styles. Durability: this eyeliner is packaged in a sleek pen design that's perfect for travel. Its waterproof formula lasts for up to 12 hours, ensuring your look stays intact through all your activities. Choosing the right eyeliner can be the key to perfecting your makeup routine, especially if you're a beginner. From affordable drugstore picks to professional-grade tools, these top 5 eyeliners for beginners make mastering eyeliner easy and enjoyable. Which one are you excited to try first? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more beauty reviews and tips. See you in the next video.